We got a nice little cold snap here tonight. It's minus 14. My wife's phone says minus 16, but it's something like that. But there's never a better time to test your gear than when it's this cold. So I'm gonna head out to the old meat wagon tonight. It's pretty dark, so we'll see how she works. Well, I'm in the meat wagon. It says it's minus 12. My phone says that's off, but I'm tucked away. Got a little bit of extra. Got a puffy coat over my feet. And it's cold. Just having a bare hand out here on the camera is pretty rough. So I'm gonna head to bed. But so far I'm already warm, other than every time I put something outside like my hand. So I think it's gonna be a nice comfortable night. See you in the morning. Well, I've been out here for a couple, 3 hours now, and I'm snug as a bug in a rug. I can tell you, my nose is kind of cold. So, but everything else, I mean, the gear is running well. Kind of got that extra puffy jacket up there. I don't have any cold spots at all. The temperature has quit reading. It's so low it's not reading anymore. So I mean, I gotta say all my gear is gonna be good to as low as any temp that I wanted to make it. So my nose is cold though. But anyway, success.